na fedo bonkrata no online no any Facebook no ni nyina ye krado ntia no pay mo amwahia e wo Facebook nyina so ye mamwache ye da se ode wo data na ye sika no be share wo Facebook na wo shebedwom dwumedie enti fiama kwa tamaklo e na afi kwasinsia opani kwasi 6 wo atena se ne anuanom nyina ya kabom se ye de bedwom dwumedie no esum pam chaw me mamwache
you sure lady boko there
nyame adom pa chaw mo se de nyame ase enti me de online no share na online adomonline.com na me de share de wo aha no GMA USA 2 na che se GMA USA 2 no ya abasobo dwumedie che se we ye de etosomienu a eba bekoso ewo Abrochimemu US. Now, 1 week celebration of late gospel singer Nyako announced into Krachi ye papa Juntuni na chese ne na watwe da efibra wato ase no abusuafo de atuja enti eno ho asem na ema ya chene akwaba ewo adomonline.com anope na de efa enhomahia ho nsem so o say education ministry chasing brofo ne so temi Education Ministry chasing Tannet Limited to refund over 800k Ghana cedis after it failed to deliver contract. Okay, nti Tannet no eye adwumakuo ni din. Nam ka se brofo eso chemi ba eye adwuma no ena ni din no okay Matias. Enti esanse contract a omoni omokoye no. Education Ministry ni sa adwumakuo ekoye no. Won wantu mi ane so nti na tese fam sika mame eno ano no na obi ade na sem ko ne baby. Woman hospitalized after napkin laced with poison was placed in her door handle. We are saying who? Not just a wow dog cry would be a dear call them no. Obi to me by ye whom be my somewhere a do copy. Yamin pon a don say when wuna or copy a sabia. And see, and also nyasa mode no pay a war adomonline.com. Armed men allegedly attack NPP secretary. And also wasem ewa her British High Commissioner gifted a goat in northern region. Enti British High Commissioner quite if you don't want them no. One more ateno aponche de mano akwaba. Bam to adomonline.com there and on to the bonkrata and so patcho there by.
Awefa Ghanaian Times the wakata and trust the Education Minister Dr. Yao Osei Educhum efuni abanasa na boss na wasaso de abahanum say Education Ministry Tannet Limited clash over IT contract. Ministry demands refund of monies for failure to execute contract. We have not given license to any company to prospect for minerals in forest reserves. Minerals Commission. And so, can say so. For say one and I'm quite breathing. So when you to me crata for a bounce, we be too far good year or on moi. Yes, a catcher say omubwa. A buying and momma when you say. Obetimi abakwa ebretunum ababetu from Agudie. Clamp down on smuggle of wheat flour into Ghana. Executive Secretary Edema Importers and Exporters Association of Ghana, Samson Asaki Awingobit. And so Walker Niseyem. Expedite action on roping in eligible taxpayers into TaxNet. Ghana Integrity Initiative urges GRA and NI comes with a picture of Mr. Benedict Do, Finance Manager Edema GII. Now, okay. If you have fancy, Ghanaian Times, you are the buyer.
Yet also na daily graphic na mdebe shasi na nsana no na memfa konya isho. Na yemfanto ashenkafu nyina so anim se ashen na yede ekro no. Oye shen de oye fidie nti ede ya ne ho beto chema ti wo ho no ma brano ya service o car sebe ya udi si kwan so a ede obekọ na sa de waba na se wa shen ebeja kwantimfi ne be di nipa bekọ nse do de ya ne moya yes ya shankafo titira akese no me de minim wahu trailer ya service ne da
me ni baby on service BD but
Esre, mon service cars no.
Yeah.
Na moya pa, moya. Ti mon hwedi.
Na o kan say no. Ena amaka me mum de afia me ka kire mo na no se. Etore bi na se passenger car nya kwanhia. Ya enta nya me ya bebre. Because I always say sometimes here passengers so can be na cars ni bebre nya sa kwanhia na ekohia. mirika tente ya driver fo bi etu ewo kwan so ya passengers ye sorry ye din etna car mu obi nso raise concern pe na osimesi nso tietie no apagya toatum na akire ho we mirika be ya na woko
no kwesi say be conclude say enye me ya na enipa na ewo but no crowd stop here say bambofo kwan no so mind the oka ba akumienu na obi ana onya adwen a ure yedin na udu kwan no so wo ba bi na hunu ayi posifo wo ho no mo abo mama ne na bra ne wo ma ye adwuma you
see they should say
enipa wo no na hwe fie wo kwa ba na ofi wo no ama
nipa na already concerns no afoforo bi so teke mu a wotu ano de agu ne so nteme police na confused
police are confused
oh
hey me report na me say me see water makwan so ye ba kra me see kwan me see America na kana see de tama o those days na moto we and say de sa kukuru na speed ade asa na say ne e kwa nyankra ha ya behwe na mo kasa do na mo kasa na so de simi ha ya na me fashion foforo see ye ne sa ebetumi aboa man kwanhia hunu no ano atumi abrase so ba time ko adwuma na esi ni papa bi owo ye nche ya pon adwuma ekohe e de asa ye dua no so ne ba ye wo mu awraho ye yi ne ba to ne so asa wa wo foforo ne ye yu ba to so ti ye sere mo nto mobo na se muni ma hye ne kan so a monko sua ne ya ansa mo abakwan ne so na ayi pragios e hwan so me ba so akire minim license no mo license no obia ne ye de manana na no me hu akra ketua bi
obekona bebre kra ni license bebre kra ni license
be 14 o be hwe no anu wo so na obi tin na say na wo ya kra na ho e pani enti sa keke o se pragia no ndie ni age limit ana
bebre kra ni license
o se mpanifo ba no omo be kasa fa ho because omo twie no omo susa
yeah
omo susa ebi susa nti e de yesre mu mpanifo mttd pani bambofo mu bia fie na ensi ho na ensi nkwanhia we no ma no kwan
mame kwa maso ni enkomo we emra sese be ne member of parliament ma de hyewo Amenfi West constituency onimonyam for Eric Afo tintim krata be akwa akoma minister for lands and natural resources about synchrophobia TSC ne constituency kwa brentu ye won mo TSC mu a omo ese kwa brentu ona wote eke mo channel pai eba bedwam djumede so na Adom TV
now the channel pai we name sister
ami Adom ye ho ye honorable
ye da say kwa brentu be na wo constituency amanfo ati esimuo na as member of parliament beyond petition ade akwa lands and natural resources minister there na monto be na wutu e de afa ho
you amena was say wa mama kwenya kese pa se meni amanfo mo hwe o program no pe yankasa me fi se Ghana ha yina ye kwa faso yitu agudi e wo fom emra e wo ho Oba Amenfi West, a company be friend Akunta Mines. Abayamano Krata, the Omeye small scale mining. Ewo Amenfi West, Omo Samra Boy, Ewo Amenfi West constituency. Your forest Kasia Edaho, I said Nimri, the Etano Nimri forest. Ye Quietutu Brito, Adawa virgin forest. Yediama Samatex Timber and Plywood Company. It's free. A forest reserve, a Dema company. Odidi, Emagan, Abani, ATB. Akonta mines for room, say, Abayam Mutumi. So, Mura, Quayini, now Omukoye mine activities. Ewo forest. I think that in Jay, in the me. Name manfo etintim krata de koma ban somra abonte mechirechirem se no krata ono no amomutumi so mumura sa forest kasienim Samatex Timber and Plywood Company Limited sa kwaye no na omohwem eyi species na omode bom ho bra e magana ban nya bidia o meka mayente and we share footage na video footage na e bae na ube say Omwa kwa yeni mankasa. We didn't say this from around no media. I'm not from Muti. Say 1 week, yeah, came 1 week and go back to have the forest in there. It's video media to I think say as member of parliament in changing Emma buying out to see. The forest no that what check now for we are saying and forest in that no that check and aban in the Memphis West. And the aban emra bonten no me no especially the ministry say on far sa forest nema akonta minus no.
In fact, honorable
hello
Minerals Commission kra enura at the press statement BPA about here CEO the Minerals Commission and star Esha says from March 2021 abai emma company bia license so betimi aboy ra your forest reserve mi akwakoye ne wo sisa adweko yi eye etuni sa adweko no edi ko se onyane prospecting license da ben ye to de aba kwa bretu mu a wo de etuf magudie honom
minia tema your forest nimna yakwa dwuma mu die honom according to them the person in charge or say aban and such as here. Regional Minister, Western North, or Yahweh. The biggest as which that's what I show you.
Oh, but sir, honorable sir, or you're aware, and yet just by word of mouth, a document, and a betcha say, and pass a buying Amana Quenya say, Wamra Forest Wonum, Emedi Sejubano. As a member of parliament, Mubisa no Timichi document via Chese, Okuta this prospecting license here, Free Minerals Commission. Minister for Lands and Natural Resources so asin asiagia tum sampo betimi abakwa enu abedi sa adwuma no o ma sa document bi sa
on fa document bi ama but the make say the LP na no na wonya kukuduro minia say asem bi esia wotwa asem bi na o dey dance asema dance no wo fi say bia hye sa man na wo yachi a obetuma ko wura kwatoto bito emu no do ade ne pe Oni power be a bakina, obitman ko quite to be told him say or yet mine nana. So if what I see for now and say if you are legally, officially, on a category, next what power be on a chair yes. This is my case. That's the reason I release this first statement. Ediama abino. Maybe we are all the stakeholders can be say they should stop the man and do the investigation. Investigation here, but you have to investigate the matter. Find a man who can. Say, be a man who can, not a buying energy, I'm running energy. This is my beef of the matter.
And now you can say, or what jai and I say, still mining go so echoso.
So far, the Omojai.
Okay.
But in the but still, we have to caution them.
But on a way, that's if you are a person when you're bringing a member of parliament, Madisha, Amenfi West constituency. Honorable Eric Afo, SMB, the Kratana Kwakudru, Sabla Bujina Ponche, they said you'll be too an amount. Avia?
Ti, mean twas or daily graphic, the Bocratano, Mampania, the Donko Kufuado, said the Annoy and Cassie Bomwardi too, Jano. A Huchra, you communia, Denya, they say, who you were Hunupa, Womguso, yet Niombe to me beara, say a Bessa Kenya and Mubi, daily graphic, the Bocrata. Name sama wode eba no pay eno right Reverend Professor Joseph Obri Yabua Mante awoye moderator da General Assembly Presbyterian Church of Ghana no say yen review free SHS policy no na hawo ekwo mu kakra no yentumi enso ano copy 13 daily graphic the workrata man bo eno no ye hwe ni mo say 2022 job fair to reach 6,000 prospective employees. Now, copy 13 a wo ye share anymore say ye bebie ekwan mu na fe one more private companies and individuals and so one do je no aba na wo mususu say ebena me no so enuma enso betumi atese mebunu ebefa ase no wonso betumi anya bi daily graphic the bo amano bo no pa won so e de baye eno no
lady
penny question 6 we come and join online Okay, into my joyonline.com so and some no ebi wa hanum say ya bobi so dada but baako a asan yi ne tibie wo bokompotem ho no say na anu ade na wo motaye no masan ye bio ama enipa miensa de je say wo so atoa wo nananom edi kan no enti eno ho asem wo myjoyonline.com no na 2 suspects arrested in connection with death of Ghanaian taxi driver in New York. Enti sa taxi driver no a enipa bi kun no ma consular no kra call na busuafo ho ekosra wo no mo kire se o ma yenhwehwemu ama nipa mienu bi wo mo ache won de afasa ensem no ho enti myjoyonline.com no ensem no edoso na emomu no we na me bo so de ama we so graphiconline.com na graphic dey so African peer review disappointed in Ghana's downgrade into no so ehwasem no sense of urgency in Ghana clinching IMF deal and also ha boko de no so ameka ehwasem no o ma ye bi enti nipa miensa shot dead asem na si eno ano no Adom Safo react to her dismissal ready to continue nti adekwa wa ready to continue no graphiconline.com bebo ho amane na Adom kase mu so ye dikan akire mu dada nti no so ehwasem eno no ewa ha enti adomonline.com myjoyonline.com na graphiconline.com so ensem no ekoso wo my Ghana mu no bi na mabobo so e de akire nti kwasi ne afia bibi foforo bi wo ho
The Chronicle and so in Proverbs chapter 17 verses 7. Proverbs 17:7 say eloquent lips are unsuited to a godless fool. How much worse lying lips to a ruler? Aduchum altered our contract, Tanit Company Limited for Esuna Eka. The Education Minister speaks at last. I have nothing to hide in execution of Gallup project. Chases Tanit Limited, an IT company, to refund 859k Ghana cedis. No license issued to prospect for gold in forest reserves. Minerals Commission for Esuna Eka. So I say Jabin 2 others dragged to court. The Chronicle. So they buy Navia.
Delegate Obaka time it was so dear na the online stories they buy ye fa bokons and some no hono. Delegate the osini panai na yakum woman to make us say a dear say curfew or bokon say ye renew no and you no watche edikosi ahomache no numansana kwabna na obesore nti wo hwe ni mu hamfoni ne da memu akama free court wo ba kwa mu nipa bitin won ebo won tu okukun won na ho nsem Mampani Adom Akufo-Addo se Ghana yenya gidie ewo won mumu na adwuma no wo mo ye ne dikadikadika kane Mampani John Dramani Mahama nso ne buofu Mampani Adom Akufo-Addo sa dan ye kasa kire wa wunti free SHS no yesi review na eho challenges no edo so kope 3 delegate the bokrata ne dia wo de ba ye eno no obatan won ne bagina kwan ho kofie track chifa won so kope 6 eno so ho asem eda ho pe 6 won wan so World Bank mpanifo nso na de wanu atomo no se enuane bo kosoro da bia enye memo nko da bia the whole world ho ensem eno no kope 6 delegate obokrata nsem a ono so no pay obomu amane nso eno no
New weekend crusading guide and so enye also Cocobot put security on red alert over fertilizers and agro input diversion. Sasti amanfo egu so the fertilizer no faculty kwan free yemai emu. Government not in despair, determined to bring relief to Ghanaians. President Nana Adom Akufo-Addo and so na eka ni say $1.2 million project splatter. Education Ministry curses mischief. Is it there? Honorable Aduchum, na tie si duabo imu, ni si duabo nkosua ne snap ne mponche. Shegu from Bamanfo Gia, Muamo Kansem, Ede Eto Nesua. Amwa exhort ISD staff to go beyond its mandate. New weekend crusade guidance so anyway eba anopa ever.
Mefa publish and find new Quran. Yes, a Council of State splits. Then almost split over La Bianca Bruhaha and on some nya the publisher now so a king can be and also she Ghana for so a Bahuchano, Uhunupa, Ukusu Yen she Sebeya. Now, it is not government duty to compensate victims of a Piatti disaster. Who to bill? So for the Australia or lands and natural resources. So, on also somewhere with the 2 journey and took a page 2 the publisher, Ghanaian publisher, and so Edia Bentino page 4 Hormonson or see a bronye blast Mahama over compensation for a Piatti victims. And here was some Ghanaian publisher, on also Ediano pay or no Edibaye. No.
Lady, yeah, quiet.
DC nemo no, and ne if ya danti, agukansi mosem ebeba, hosepe, and so bebana fe fisem, and so abanefisem no dear course so wo KNUST, and anwa enye na ensheni nenya semodeno, and also a home commodie, ebeba so ewo fisem, cause so anasha Adom TV if he said, Adoye ne de, ena ye wo. yɛda asese onya yɛ ho adagye na wɔtwe awie yɛ sɛde owura ni tekotego bɛka no onyankopɔn ɔne wɔntena yɛma wache